In this video, I'm going to show you how to add a gallery in Squarespace. So there's actually a few ways to do this. The first one is when you actually go inside your website and you click on Pages over here, you can go ahead and click on this plus button anywhere, for example, over here. And then if you scroll down, you'll be able to see there's a bunch of different things. And one of them over here under Showcase is going to say Gallery. So you can click on the Gallery over here, and then you can select whichever one you want. I'm going to do this one, for example. And whenever you do that, it's going to create a separate page, which is essentially a gallery. Then you can go ahead and hit the Edit tab up top. And now from here, you'll be able to see, there we go, this is your gallery. If you are inside the Edit menu, you'll be able to basically click inside this section, click on Edit Gallery, and this is where you can then edit it, okay? Now that's the first way to do it. However, you could also edit into an existing page. So if I go to my blank page over here, which I already have, you could go to Edit up top, and then from here I can add a section, and from the section you want to scroll down, you can find the images, and under images, there we go, here is our gallery. I can click on it, and then again it's gonna add that gallery block or section, and I can just edit this gallery over here, and there we go, that's how you can do it. So I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.